Coco Jr.
The big dogs are making them up. Waking, waking. You know what that means. Oh, sleepyheads. Here they are. The beasts. Can you turn this back on? The beasts. Oh, sorry, your head's in the way. Oh. Blue says he's going back to bed. Joined by Purple. You guys are still up?
Are you gonna escape?
Yes. If you leave that open, they will. And back to bed.
So lively.
Red and yellow. Just on top of blue. Doesn't matter that you're on his head. And there comes pink. Looks like a puzzle. Now all we need is Miss Orange. Not going back to bed? Big yawns. Oh, there we go. And she's in. They're still stepping on that poor boy. Look at him under there. Just feet. Oh, little man. Help. New man.